we're going to talk about seasonal changes in autumn. First, we will talk about plant changes. The leaves are falling off the trees. The leaves change color to red, orange, yellow, and brown. There are also purple and gray leaves. So this is the questions of plant changes. What happens to the leaves in autumn? They fall off the tree and change the color. Can you name some colors the leaves turn to? Yes! Red, orange, yellow, brown, purple, and gray. Why don't the leaves stay green? Because of weather and daylight changes and chlorophyll breaks down. Do you know a type of tree that stays green all year long? Yes, they call it evergreen trees, like pine trees and magnolia trees. So this is all about plant changes. Now we're going to talk about weather and daylight changes. The temperature gets colder, the days in fall get shorter and darker. Sometimes it's snowy and cloudy, but it's also windy. So these are the questions of weather and daylight. Do the days in fall get longer or shorter? The answer is shorter. Does the weather get warmer or colder? The answer is colder. Can you explain why these changes happen? Because the earth tilts away from the sun and there's not enough sunlight. Name some types of weather we get in autumn. Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, and sometimes snowy and windy. Now we're going to talk about animal changes. We have migration, hibernation, and adaptation. Migration, like these birds flying in a V shape, and they go to warmer places. Hibernation, like this queen bee, sleeps during the winter in a hive. Adaptation, like this bunny, changes its behavior and color to white and blends in with the snow to hide from prey. And these are the questions of animal changes. What do the words migrate, hibernate, and adapt mean? Migrate means to move. Hibernate means to sleep. Adaptation means to change and camouflage. What's some animals that hibernate and tell where they hibernate? Like a bear in a cave, a squirrel in a tree, a fox in a rock, the turtle in the mud, the snake and rabbit in the burrows. Name some animals that migrate and share interesting facts you know. Sometimes the V breaks down. The birds fly to warmer places, and the fish and dolphin swim to the Indian Ocean. Name some animals that adapt to the cold, like a bunny, a deer, a polar bear. So that's all the things of the animal changes. Finally, we're in the human changes. We have a rake, me jumping in leaves, a jack-o'-lantern, a sweater. And these are the questions of human changes. How do the clothes we wear change during the season of autumn? We change from light clothes to warmer clothes. Can you name any holidays we celebrate in autumn? Yes, Halloween, like my brother's birthday, and Thanksgiving. What activities do you do outside? Rake the leaves and jumping in that leaves. What are some tools people use in autumn? A rake. Are there any jobs people do in the house or around the yard in this season? Yeah, they rake and then make a pile of leaves and put it in the trash and change the thermostat. What kind of food and drink do we enjoy when the weather gets cold? Hot chocolate, coffee, and tea. So that's all of the things on the human changes. Thank you.